I farm up in Outlook, Montana, mainly peas, lentils, durum, flax. My whole durum crop was infected with vomitoxin, which is scabby kernels, and it made my durum pretty much unmarketable. It was a worthless crop. I heard of some guys that had these cleaners that possibly could clean out the vomitoxin. Took a chance, bought one, put it to work, and 3 months later, we were still cleaning. We had vom levels anywhere from 6 parts per million, 5 parts per million, up to 7. It is varying all over the board. I was able to basically move a crop that was at one point worthless with this GCS Grain Cleaner. What we hauled into the elevators, they were marking down it was clean, that it was actually cleaned durum. It saved me. And it took, maybe, I guess with the market price at that time, probably 20,000 bushels, maybe to pay for the machine. When it was all said and done, out of that roughly 150,000 bushels, I think we had about 8% total loss, which I was pretty happy with that. Well, aside from cleaning the vomitoxin, we now do clean all of our own seed. It's a big cost savings, and we can do it at our own time frame. If we decide we want to clean up wheat today, we do it. We can do it when we want to do it and how much we want to do it. If somebody wants to buy some seed wheat from me, I can clean it up. It was an extra bonus from what I originally bought it for, that's for sure. In addition to the cleaner, they make a scalper. It's an inexpensive scalper. In conjunction together, they work great together. Little modification, might need a jump auger. It's simple. Everything's on farm. I can do it at my own leisure. It's a very simple process. There's no moving parts. There's nothing to break down. There's no screens to change. It's portable. We can move it from bin to bin, from farm to farm. Very low voltage. Amperage is, I think, 22 amps to run it. There's no right or wrong way to run it. It's very versatile. That's kind of the neat part about it. With all that being said about the cleaner, there is something to be said with the customer service. I had a couple small little issues, nothing major. I called Alex, and he brought up a couple parts. He's done it for some other farmers. Incredible. Just a drop of a hat, and he's here. That's good customer service. You don't see that every day. So I'm very, very pleased with our relationship with GCS and Alex and the whole company. Very happy.